In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the economic calendar on Trading 212. This feature is a powerful tool that can help you stay informed about upcoming economic events, news releases, and market updates that might impact your trading decisions. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, understanding how to navigate this calendar can be incredibly beneficial. To begin, open the Trading 212 app on your device. Once you have the app open, you'll need to access the main menu. This is typically found on the left side of your screen, represented by a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tapping this icon will reveal a list of options and features available within the app. As you scroll through the menu, you'll come across the option labeled Economic Calendar. Tap on this to open up the calendar interface. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of upcoming economic events and announcements. This includes everything from interest rate decisions to employment reports and other significant indicators that can influence market movements. Each event listed in the economic calendar provides essential details to help you assess its potential impact. By tapping on any specific event, you can view more detailed information. This includes the time of the event, the level of impact it's expected to have on the markets, and which markets are likely to be affected. Understanding these details can help you anticipate market reactions and make more informed trading decisions. And just like that, you've learned how to use the economic calendar on Trading 212. By integrating this tool into your trading routine, you can stay ahead of market changes and react strategically to economic news as it unfolds. Remember, staying informed is key to successful trading, and the economic calendar is an excellent resource for keeping you in the loop. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials on maximizing your trading potential with Trading 212. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.